Hey everyone! Welcome back to our video today. I've got something super exciting for you. I'm going to show you a fast, simple, and completely free way to unlock your iPhone or iPad that's stuck on the dreaded iCloud activation lock screen. Yep, you heard that right. It's 100% free, totally safe, and you don't need any technical experience to do it. Before we dive in, let's take a quick moment to understand what the iCloud lock actually is. Also known as Activation Lock, it's an Apple security feature designed to protect your device if it's ever lost or stolen. When enabled, it requires the original Apple ID and password used during setup, which ensures that only the rightful owner can reactivate or use the device. Alright, now let's jump straight into the unlocking process. First, open your web browser and visit i.cloud. You'll also see this link displayed on your screen. Once you're on the website, you'll notice how clean and easy the interface is. To begin, click the Unlock My Device button on the next page. You will see a box that's asking you to enter your 15-digit IMEI number. You can find it by dialing *#06# on your phone or by checking the back of your device. Then click Next to continue. On the next page, you'll see a few options such as Unlock iCloud and Bypass Activation. If you want to completely remove the iCloud lock, select Unlock iCloud. If you just want to get past the activation screen temporarily, choose Bypass Activation. Once you've made your selection, click Start to begin the process. Now, the tool will automatically start processing your request, so don't close your browser or switch tabs during this step. It usually takes just a few minutes. To keep this amazing service completely free, you'll need to complete a quick verification step supported by our sponsors. Simply click the button below, pick an offer, complete it, and that's it. Super easy. Once that's done, the unlocking will continue automatically. After a short wait, you'll see a confirmation message saying your device has been successfully unlocked. To finalize the process, restart your iPhone or iPad, and when it powers back on, you'll see that the iCloud lock is gone. Your device is now fully unlocked and ready to use again. If the tool doesn't work the first time, don't panic. Just refresh the page and try again. Because this is an online tool, sometimes scripts don't load properly. Make sure your internet connection is stable and try using another browser if needed. This tool supports a wide range of Apple devices, from iPhone 5 all the way up to iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it works with various iPad models too. It's completely safe, requires no downloads, and is regularly updated to support the latest iOS versions. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to iCloud Geeks, and share this video with anyone who might need help unlocking their iPhone or iPad. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.